Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is GladdyTech. Today I'll be showing you how to transfer your USDT from your TonKeeper to your Binance app. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel to get helpful tips like this. Okay, for you to transfer your USDT from your TonKeeper to your Binance account, there are two apps that you need, which is TonKeeper and Binance app. So this is my Binance app. For you to get these apps, you have to go to your Play Store app if you're using Android to download them, or go to your App Store if you're using iPhone to download them. To download it, so what you have to do now is, this is the interface of my Binance app. So for me to transfer money from my TonKeeper to my Binance app, this is what I have to do. I tap on this portfolio. In some phones, they will show you assets, so it's the same thing. The next thing you have to do is to tap on deposit. Okay, the next thing you have to do is to tap on USDT. Now, tap on Throne, the first one. No, I have not complete my verification identity verification. So for that reason, my deposit address will not be showing. But if you complete your signing up and your verification identity, your deposit address is going to show here. And when it shows, you copy the link, go back to your TonKeeper this way. So this is my TonKeeper. When you come to your TonKeeper, allow it to process, take some time to process. So you have to be patient. So on the TonKeeper, tap on send. So this is the interface of my TonKeeper. Tap on send. Now here you're going to paste that address that you copy from your address. Copy it here, then give some comments, write some comments, then tap on send. When you send it, it will be sent to Binance app. That way you have sent your USDT to your Binance app. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and always give me a thumbs up to get helpful notifications and helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.